Okay, go. Wait, hold on.
I don't think I can do this, dog. Like, I don't think I can put my mouth over it.
Go, try to bite it.
Hold on, before I do that, just remember, you know, when you open your mouth a little and it cracks right here, you better watch out, man, that shit hurts.
Look like this?
Like when you open it too wide and it cracks, you know what I'm saying?
No.
Yeah, like that.
Listen
Like.
to me. What no, I'm talking, what? Don't get on cookies and shit.
It's already big enough.
That's a big ass burger. Look how big it is. Have you seen mine?
What is that?
It's, I don't know.
How many meats?
I don't know, but we call it 6 like MJ. We call it
6,
5.
Go, bite it, Sergio. Turn that way. Turn that way and bite it.
Oh my god, how do y'all eat that?
That is the worst shit ever. That's the worst one I've ever made. That one. It has 6 meats. The most I've put is like.
Eric, want some?
No, I'm good.
You want some from Sergio's?